Hi, I'm Guilherme Rito, and today I'm going to show you the newest update for CSS Scan Pro. So in this new update, what you can do is that you can make CSS changes on the website. There's this new color eyedropper directly in the color picker, so you can pick the colors from the screen. For example, this yellow or this red or blue. It works on pictures, and it works on everywhere. So let's change this to actually a green, and here we have the tints and shades automatically generated for us. Maybe something like this. Okay, and then let's make another change. Let's make this font size bigger. So here we can go to the visual editor, we can rotate it a little bit. Oops, here, rotate. So now you can share these CSS changes with your team. Like, hey guys, I made some CSS changes on our landing page. I think it looks better. What do you think? And this works on any website. Like, you can make these CSS changes on CSS Scan Pro normally on every website. And on websites that are live, like HTTPS, you can come to CSS changes. And here you can also export all the changes as a file or copy all the changes. But now you can also share these changes with anyone, even if they don't have the CSS Scan Pro extension installed in their computer. So let's click on share all changes and let's see what happens. So he generates the link with the CSS changes for this specific website. So in this test, I edited the website toastlog.com, which is another extension I made for web development. It's also useful for JavaScript debugging and find all the errors on your website. Okay, so CSS Scan Pro opens a new tab with a new link, and this is the link for this edit. You can share this link with anyone, and even if they are on their phones or they don't have the CSS Scan Pro extension, they will be able to see the original website with all your CSS changes. And they can also see what did you change. They can click on before and after and see visually and see the visual differences that you made with CSS. They can also come here to CSS changes to see what's new on the code and on which selector. So this is a unique selector, and you can also copy these changes or copy all changes. You can make multiple CSS changes, and you can scroll the page. It still works, right? So you can edit any website that is live on the internet. What I mean is that it's not on your local host. It's not locally hosted, and you can make CSS changes and click on share all changes on the CSS Scan Pro extension, and it will generate a link that you can copy and send to anyone, and anyone can open it and see the website with all the CSS changes you made. So this is a great feature for asking feedback or receiving feedback with your team, collaborating, building something together. I hope you like. Please let me know if you have any questions and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for supporting my work. See you next time.